Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, ji, welcome back. In this video, in this part, we will be talking about, inshallah, question number 5 and up till 9, right? Okay, now look at question number 5 and question number, I'll be showing you question number 8 and 9 as well. So, firstly, we will be doing question number 5, question number 8, and 9 would be given to you as your assignment. We will be discussing first of all these parts, and then later on, we will be doing question number 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, 6 and 7, right, which are very important. Okay, why am I saying so? Look at this. Differentiate. First part is sine of x with respect to cos of x, sorry, cot of x, right? कुछ याद आया? Like this function with respect to this, again chain rule वाली बात. Sine of x would be called as, let us say y, and we can call this cot of x as u, t, कोई भी और variable. फिर उसी तरह से and chain rule apply करेंगे, right? In the both parts, because this is what is the second part. You can see differentiate sine square x with respect to cos raised to the power 4x. तो ये भी उसी तरह से इस फंक्शन को भी कोई नाम दे देंगे, इस फंक्शन को भी कोई नाम दे देंगे, है ना? चेन रूल, जस्ट लाइक योर प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज. लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9. Okay, 8 को देखें. If x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to this, show that this thing, very very important question by the way. अब function y है function of theta and x is a function of theta as well. You can see, let me zoom it in for you people. Okay, look at this. X is a function of theta, y is also a function of theta, but they are asking you to prove this thing. They are asking us to prove this thing, a into dy by dx. Ab definitely dy by dx, how can we find dy by dx where we have y is a function of theta, x is a function of theta? Definitely we will be finding dy by d theta from here, from this y, and dx by d theta from this x, है ना? And how would we find dy by dx? By applying chain rule. So after getting the value of dy by dx, we will be putting that into this equation, and this would be easily proved. Important question here, so we will be discussing it. Next, question number 9 is also very very important. The same y is given to us as a function of t, x is given to us as a function of t. We simply have to find dy by dx. So definitely again chain rule lagega. Why? Because we will be getting dy by dt from y. Here from x we will be getting dx by dt. So from these two values, by applying chain rule, we will be getting dy by dx. So question number 9 में आपने सिर्फ ये find करना है. So इन तीन questions में chain rule लगेगा. That's why we will be doing these before question number 6 and 7. 7 और 6 हम बाद में करेंगे. Very important है वैसे भी वो. Okay, now look at this. Question number 5. As I told you, डिफ्रेंशिएट साइन ऑफ एक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कॉट ऑफ एक्स. कोई सा भी पार्ट हम कर सकते हैं. आई एम गोना डू द फर्स्ट वन, आप सेकंड कर लीजिएगा. लेट वाई इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ एक्स एंड यू इज इक्वल टू कॉट ऑफ एक्स. क्लियर? वी हैव टू फाइंड dy by du. Why do we have to find dy by du? Because we have to find, they asked us to find change in this with respect to this, यानी differentiate sin of x with respect to cot of x. अब sin of x को I called y, and cot of x को I called u. So what am I going to find? dy by du, this one. ठीक है जी. If I have to find this one, बिल्कुल पिछले क्वेश्चंस की तरह, दिस y इज़ अ फंक्शन ऑफ x, so we will be finding dy by dx. So dy by dx कैसे फाइंड आउट होगा? It would be, what is derivative of sin of x? It is cos of x. Simply x सिर्फ सिंपल x है एंगल, तो एंगल का डेरिवेटिव फर्दर 1 ही होगा. दिस वुड बी योर फर्स्ट आंसर. ठीक है जी, फॉर चेन रूल. व्हाट वुड बी योर सेकेंड आंसर? डिफरेंट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस u विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. व्हाट वुड दैट बी? du by dx. कॉट का डेरिवेटिव, व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कॉट? याद होना चाहिए आपको. इट इज़ माइनस कोसेकेंट स्क्वायर एक्स. एक्स से चूंकि इसका फर्दर डेरिवेटिव 1 ही होगा तो हम नहीं ले रहे. ठीक है. आई गॉट माई दिस आंसर. आई ऑलरेडी हैव दिस आंसर, और ये भी मेरा आ गया. ठीक है जी. हाउ वुड वी फाइंड नाउ dy by du? वी ऑलरेडी नो बाय अप्लाइंग चेन रूल. और dy by du किसके इक्वल होगा? इट वुड बी इक्वल टू dy by chain rule. इट वुड बी इक्वल टू dy by dx इंटू dx डिवाइडेड by du. ठीक है जी. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, और इसकी वैल्यू वी कैन सी ये थी du by dx की. सो dx by du की क्या होगी? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस थिंग. एंड dy by dx is already this. So multiply the two values like this. Look at this. all you have to do is you have to multiply the two values like this. Acha, cosecant square x we already know it is 1 over sine square x, right? So cos x as it is, or is cosecant square x को अगर आप 1 over sine square x करके replace करेंगे, then this would become this thing, and this is your final answer. You can leave it even like this, not a big deal. This is your final answer. That's it. Now look at question number 8. Again, I have explained it already. See, we are given x, which is a function of theta. We are given y, which is a function of theta. We have to prove this equation, where we can see we will be needing dy by dx. Of course, by chain rule, this is a function of theta, so we will be finding dx by d theta like this. मैं explain करूँगी how would we find this, and this is y, function of theta. We will be finding dy by d theta. I'll be explaining how. And after getting value of dy by d theta and dx by d theta, we have to find dy by dx. So we already know by chain rule dy by dx would be equal to here dy by d theta into d theta by dx, right? Let us talk about dx by d theta and dy by d theta. कैसे find करेंगे? Okay, now we already know that x is equal to a cos cube of theta. ठीक है जी, let me write it again. X is equal to a cos cube of theta. I have to find change in x with respect to change in theta. Okay, now a being constant as it is raha, look at this one, cos cube theta. So it would be 3, power पहले आ जाएगी, cos 3 minus 1 which is 2 theta. पावर रूल लगाया हमने, अभी तक और कुछ नहीं किया. फर्दर डेरिवेटिव यानी d by d theta of what, जिसकी पावर थी, किसकी पावर थी, cos थीटा की. डन. नाउ a यानी इसको हम कह सकते हैं 3a cos square theta into what is derivative of cos of theta, it is minus sin theta. So multiply it, it would become minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta, right? This value is of what, dx over d theta, minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. Look at this one, minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. किसकी वैल्यू है, dx by d theta. Let's talk about value of dy by d theta. What is my y, b sin cube theta. So बिल्कुल उसी तरह से y is equal to b sin cube of theta. dy by differentiating with respect to theta on both sides, so we will get b into 3, पावर पहले आ गई, sin 3 minus 1 which would become square into further derivative of this sin of theta जिसकी पावर है, sin की पावर थी इसलिए sin of theta in the bracket. Okay, now 3b दोनों constant हैं, sin square theta into what is the derivative of this, cos of theta. अच्छा, we are not taking further derivative of theta because further derivative of theta is 1 already, तो हम ना भी लिखें, it is fine. So this is the answer. What is the answer? 3b sin square theta into cos of theta. 3b sin square theta into cos of theta. Look at this, 3b sin square theta into cos of theta. We got the answers. Now by applying chain rule like this, simply you just have to write them down. Now here you can see you got dy by dx like this, and this can be written as minus b over a as it is. Sin theta over cos theta would become tan theta, right? So the answer is, you can see, minus b over a, yani minus b divided by a into tan of theta. This is my dy by dx. What do I have to do now? If you remember from the question, from the equation, this is what we have to prove. So all you can do is you can take your left hand side and you can put your value which you found dy by dx which you got, उसको put कर दें in your left hand side. वो भी कर सकते हैं और इस तरीके से भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. किस तरीके से? Look at this. You have to prove minus dy by dx plus b tan theta. So you can multiply a on both sides. इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. This a would be taken to this side, so it would become a into dy by dx equals to minus b tan theta. And then this thing would be brought up to this side, so it would become plus tan theta equals to 0. साइड पे कुछ भी नहीं रहा. ऐसे भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं, वैल्यू पुट भी कर सकते हैं. पुट करना would be much better, I guess. Okay, now we are done with this. 9th question is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. It is very simple. Now let's talk about two very important questions. Question number 6 and question number 7. Okay, let's check these out. If tan y into 1 plus tan x into 1 equals to 1 minus tan x, we have to show this thing. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, राइट? अच्छा, इसको हम बाद में देखेंगे, आप इसको बाद में देखिएगा. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट ओवर हियर टू यू पीपल. Tan of y into 1 plus tan x equals to 1 minus tan x. This is my question. Uh-oh. Wait. Okay, now look at this. The question is tan y into 1 plus tan of x is equal to 1 minus tan of x, right? क्या करेंगे हम, चूँकि हमें प्रूव क्या करना है, डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इक्वल्स टू -1. सो टैन ऑफ वाई वाली टर्म को एक साइड पे रख लें एंड टेक रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स टू द अदर साइड. सो इट वुड बिकम 1 माइनस टैन एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस टैन एक्स, राइट? अब इस क्वेश्चन में, दिस क्वेश्चन इज़, वैसे भी ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको याद रहना भी चाहिए ऑफ कोर्स. वैसे तो यू हैव टू कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड फॉर इजी मेथड, राइट? आसान मेथड के लिए, अदरवाइज इट कुड बी डन द अदर वे एज वेल, बट दिस इज द ईजीएस्ट मेथड, शॉर्टेस्ट एंड easiest method for this question. You have to replace this 1 with tan of 45 degree, यानी tan of pi by 4. pi by 4 tan क्या होता है? 1. So can I replace this 1 with tan pi by 4? Yes, I can do. क्योंकि tan pi by 4 यानी tan 45 is 1. So tan pi by 4 minus tan of x divided by, अब इस 1 की जगह I'm not gonna write it that way. मैं बताऊंगी क्यों. This tan of x into 1 लिख सकते हैं हम इसको. So it would be, इस 1 की जगह I'm going to write tan pi by 4 into tan x. Can I do it this way? Yes. Okay, now on this side I got tan y, जो था वैसे का वैसा. ठीक है जी. Let me do it some other way. This one. Okay, यहाँ पे दोबारा करते हैं. tan y 1 minus tan x equals to 1 plus tan x. No, I have minus on this side and I should be having plus on this side. Okay, now simply जल्दी से करते हैं. tan y would be equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. ठीक है जी. 1 would be replaced, I am going to replace this 1, and अगर इसके साथ into 1 लिख लें तो this is into, not minus sign, this is into. Okay, so it would be now tan of y would be equal to what? 1 की जगह आई एम गोइंग टू राइट tan ऑफ पाई बाई 4 या 45 डिग्री, वो 1 होता है, माइनस tan ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस 1 इंटू, यानी tan ऑफ पाई बाई 4. बेसिकली हम tan का फॉर्मूला वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक ऑन दिस साइड, वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक फॉर्मूला ऑफ tan. ठीक है. tan पाई बाई 4 किसकी जगह पे? इस 1 की जगह पे, इंटू tan ऑफ x. डज इट मेक एनी डिफरेंस? नो. अच्छा जी, let us do it this way now. Tan of y would be equal to what? What is this? किस चीज़ का फॉर्मूला बन गया ये पूरा? This is, isn't it formula of tan alpha plus b, alpha minus beta, है ना? What is value of formula for alpha minus tan alpha minus beta? Tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. याद है? So this would become tan of alpha minus beta. So this would be tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. Why is it alpha? Sorry, it was supposed to be y. No, sorry, x. This is x, not alpha. Apni hi writing, I sometimes get confused because of this video. Okay, look at this. Now what do we have? Tan of y equals to tan of pi by 4 minus x is पूरे की जगह by applying this formula, tan of alpha minus beta. ठीक है जी. Okay, tan cancelled out. Y is equal to pi by 4 minus x. Now this is my y and I want to find dy by dx, so I will be differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So this would be dy by dx equals to, what is derivative of pi by 4 with respect to x? Pi by 4 being a constant, so the derivative would be 0, minus what would be derivative of x with respect to x? 1. So what do we have now? We have dy by dx is equal to -1, and that's what we needed. Look at this. What we need to prove dy बाई डी एक्स इज़ इक्वल टू -1। ये हमें चाहिए था प्रूव करना, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी डिड इट। ठीक है जी, फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ व्हाट tan of alpha minus beta equals to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. You can write it down from here too. So that's how we did it. Very important question, by the way. Next, very important question. Actually I have cropped the years वरना image बहुत बड़ा हो जाना था, ये बहुत years में आया भी है। ओके, यू कैन सी हियर द नोट इन उर्दू। सारी रकम y के बराबर है। अगर एक रेडिकल ऑफ tan x हम y अलग कर भी लेंगे तो अंदर वाली रकम फिर भी y के बराबर रहेगी, क्योंकि सामने इन्फिनिटी है। व्हाट आर दे ट्राइंग टू से इज़, ये तो हिंट आपके लिए है। लुक एट दिस, दिस इज़ y इक्वल्स किसके है, रेडिकल ऑफ tan x प्लस अगेन रेडिकल ऑफ tan x प्लस अगेन रेडिकल ऑफ tan x। ये देख सकते हैं आप, लुक एट दिस, radical of tan x plus 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 आते चलते चलते up to infinity, right? So what are we gonna do? इस क्वेश्चन की क्या हिंट है? जैसे उसमें पाई बाय 4 पुट करना है, इस क्वेश्चन की क्या हिंट है? In this question I think I'll be needing an empty space. Yes. Okay, now if the question is this, radical of tan of x plus again radical of tan of x plus again radical of tan of x plus again radical of tan of x plus so on up till infinity हमें given है. Can I do one thing? Can I replace, what is it? अगर मैं इसको बाहर ही रहने दूँ, और ये सारी टर्म मैं इसको एज y ले लूँ, can I do that? Of course I can do that, because up till infinity है। अगर लिखा हुआ है 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to so on up till infinity, और आप उसको लिख लेते हो 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to so on if to infinity, या आप उसको लिख लेते हो 1 plus 1 up till so on up to infinity, क्या कोई फ़र्क पड़ता है? No, it doesn't make any difference. What am I trying to say is, I will be considering this whole term as y, and I'm going to keep this radical of tan x with me. मतलब what am I going to do? I'm going to write it as plus y. क्या कोई फ़र्क पड़ा? नो, क्योंकि अप टिल इन्फिनिटी अगर मेरे पास लिखा होता 1 plus 1 plus 1 so on, मतलब इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है, अगर मैं उसी को लिख लूँ 1 plus 1 plus so on अप टिल इन्फिनिटी, क्या कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा? नो, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा। सो ये वही वाली एग्जांपल है, ठीक है जी। और बाकी उस सब वैल्यू को हमने क्या कर दिया, रिप्लेस कर दिया। यानी अगर इसमें से मैं इन शॉर्ट ये, ओ गॉड what did I do, man? Okay, let me write it again. Tan of x plus radical of tan of x plus radical of tan of x plus so on. I'm going to suppose it as y equals to radical of tan x. Like just what am I doing? I'm keeping this tan of x outside और बाकी सब को मैं y ले रही हूँ, बिकॉज अगर मैं इसको हाइड कर भी लूँ इस पूरे को, तो ये बाकी भी तो y ही है, राइट? ओके, नाउ व्हाट डिड आई डू? आई रोट इट y इक्वल्स टू दिस थिंग। अब ये स्टेप याद एक और रखना है, स्क्वेयरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स। व्हाट डू आई हैव? y स्क्वेयर इक्वल्स टू tan x प्लस y। क्लियर? अब कुछ नहीं करना, all you have to do is you have to take derivative on both sides with respect to x, right? When I'll be taking derivative over here, power rule पहले apply होगा, so it would be 2 y raised to the power 2 minus 1 into dy by dx. Why dy by dx? further derivative of y, यानी जिसकी पावर है उसका further derivative with respect to x क्या आ जाएगा? dy by dx। और इस साइड पे हम देखते हैं, so it would become tan x plus y का derivative, right? What is derivative of tan of x with respect to x? It would be secant square x into further derivative of x, which is 1, यानी एंगल का डेरिवेटिव 1 है, so I'm not writing it here, plus derivative of y with respect to x. What is it? dy by dx. Now look at this, what do we have here? यहाँ पे क्या बना मेरे पास? 2y dy by dx माइनस इस dy by dx को मैं इस साइड पे लेकर आ रही हूँ, so it would become minus dy by dx, which we always do, कंबाइन करते हैं हम dy by dx को, secant square of x। कुछ भी नहीं है अब। what do we have now? dy by dx would be taken as common, so it would be dy by dx into 2y minus 1 is equal to what? Secant square x. And that's what we needed to prove. ठीक है जी, let me show it to you. Look at this. What did we do? We took it as y. इस पूरी टर्म को हमने y ले लिया. So radical of tan plus y, squaring on both sides, taking derivative on both sides. You can see over here, you took derivative of this, so it would be this thing. कैसे? फिर से देखें, 2y पावर नीचे आ गई into further derivative of y with respect to x, so it would be dy by dx like this. And tan x का derivative क्या होता है? Secant square x. x का further derivative is 1, that's why we didn't write. y का derivative is dy by dx. Now look at this, dy by dx, bring it to this side, it would be subtracted like this, and you can take it out as common. And this is what you needed to prove. See, they gave you to prove this thing. They asked you to prove this thing. 2y minus 1 into dy by dx equals to secant square x. So this is what we were supposed to prove, and alhamdulillah we are done with that. Very important question, you people have to do it. Assignments, please do send me your assignments well in time, as today we are gonna have a class of 1 hour and 20 minutes. Lecture is not that long, so you can complete your assignment within this time. Do not waste your time, okay? Here are just few parts which I gave you to do. Look at this. Question number 2, these parts 3, 4, 5, 6, ये तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, यू कैन नॉट लीव दिस. ठीक है, 8 मैंने कर दिया था, दैट्स वाई 9th आपको दिया, बट लेटर ऑन प्लीज़ डू कंप्लीट योर नोट्स. बाकी भी आप वीकेंड पे ज़रूर कंप्लीट करिएगा. ठीक है जी, दिस इज़ योर assignment for today. So I hope this is cleared. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.